In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage an Atlassian API token. If you're setting up automation, connecting scripts, or integrating Atlassian with external tools, using an API token is one of the safest and most reliable ways to authenticate. It helps you avoid failed sign-ins, unauthorized errors, and the risks that come with passing account passwords directly into scripts or terminal commands. The good news is that Atlassian makes this process straightforward once you know exactly where to go. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to id.atlassian.com. If needed, sign in to your Atlassian account through your usual login page. Once you're inside your account hub, look across the top navigation area and click Security. This is where Atlassian keeps the account protection and access settings you'll need for token management. After the security page opens, scroll down through the available options until you find the API token section. You may see other security settings here as well, such as password controls or device history, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct area. When you find API token, click Create and Manage API Tokens. That will open the dedicated token management page for your account. On that page, look for the Create API Token button. It's usually displayed clearly above any existing token list. Click it once to start the token creation process. A small setup window will appear, and this is where you'll define a label for the token. In the label field, type a name that clearly describes what the token will be used for. This is important because descriptive labels make it much easier to identify the right token later, especially if you create more than one. Keep the name short, specific, and easy to recognize. For example, you might name it something like Python Web Scraper Automation. A clean label can save time when you return to manage or revoke tokens in the future. Once the label is ready, click Create. Atlassian will then generate your new API token and display it on screen. At this stage, pay close attention because this is the moment when you need to save it. Click Copy to copy the token immediately. Atlassian only shows the full token when it is first created, so if you close the window or move on without saving it, you'll need to create a new one. Paste the token somewhere secure, such as an environment file or the appropriate credential field in your application, and then verify that your integration connects successfully. That's it. You now have a secure Atlassian API token ready for your scripts, automations, and external integrations.